So I thought it'd be a good time to do an update on the carport and the roof over the hot tub. So this has been a slow process. I've been working on it here and there over the last couple months, a few months. And that is caulking and priming. And even though I'm not doing underneath, I'm doing all the supports, all the posts along the edge, and it takes time. But I don't mind working on it like an hour here, an hour there. And you can see how it's looking a lot better. Ava and Meyer out here playing around. Let's go to the carport. Shop is looking great, yeah. Where's Ava? Is she coming up? So I can see, did the green, did 2 coats of that. All this is primed. The first coat of purple is on the house. And I should stress, it's always good to overpaint where you're going to combine another color. So I always go over this edge. Same here, go over. And then when we do this, I have more flexibility in getting that line. And this morning I started putting on the slate color here. And I just wanted to stress, it's these little accent things really bring it all together. It is more time, but it's the accents that end up really making the difference, in my opinion. And you can see, for example, here we have the doorway molding, and here we have where I started adding the accent. So it really brings it together. I still have a couple more windows, another door to do, and that's just the first coat, so then the second coat. But the second coat usually typically goes a little faster. But all the purple's ready for the second coat. So it's coming along really good. And I'm so glad I added the triangle here. Makes it a lot nicer when it's raining. Got that walk area. So there it is. It'll be interesting to see how much different it looks when we start doing the posts. That's only the primer. Make them, they'll stand out more and more. And the shed's still looking great. That was the first area we did. Bunch of videos on that if you're interested. Okay, here we go. Ava, what you doing?